Welcome to the ROQ Service Customer Center. This video will show you how to easily use the Customer Center to request service, view open cases, check orders and estimates, and manage your account. If you need help setting up your account, simply submit a request using the form at the bottom of this page. Once your account is set up, click Login and be sure to bookmark the login page for easy access. After logging in, we recommend using the top navigation bar. Let's start with service and how to submit a new case. First, choose your equipment serial number. If you don't have it or can't find it, just check the box provided. Next, enter a message describing the issue. Please include as much detail as possible so we can better assist you. Then, select the appropriate contact and your preferred method of communication. Enter a subject line. This will be the title of your case and help you identify it later. Finally, choose the priority level and hit Submit. You'll be able to view all of your open cases along with the communication history for each one. Next, let's move to estimates and orders. From this section, you can view all of your estimates, sort them by date, and see which ones are still open. You can also access your full order history and click into an order to view details. Under Billing, you can easily view and print statements and invoices. Lastly, you can manage your service contacts. This is a great way to ensure your team is set up for success. Be sure to add anyone at your company who needs access to submit cases or communicate with the ROQ service team. Adding contacts is easy. Just make sure to let the service team know once you've added someone so they can set up a password for the new team member. You can do this by emailing service@roq.us.